Hello students, hope we are doing well. Today we are going to draw 2D sketch with geometric dimension and constraint. So you can see this is the sketch is there. So you can see, so 55 mm inside diameter, one circle is there, and outer diameter is 90 mm, and there is a slot of 8 mm, and there are four holes of 20 mm diameter at an angle 30 degree from this vertical axis. So and there is 18 mm radius of this outer circle, and 70 mm radius is fillet is provided to this side, and 14 mm radius fillet is provided to on another side of this curve. So we are going to solve this. Create document. I will say sketch 1. Say create. Select sketch. Select one plane. View normal to sketch plane. Now we are going to start it. First I will draw the vertical axis. So this is the vertical axis, and another is the this. So make it construction line, make it also construction line. Now next is the first circle. So inside circle, and this is the outside circle. So give the dimension to that. So this circle is of 55 mm diameter, and outside circle, to see here, it is of 90 mm diameter. So its dimension is 90, and another is that there is a line slot is there. So this is also line. Now the distance between these two is 8 mm, and distance from this line to this is the 4 mm. Next is so okay, we are going to delete this. Sorry, I will draw another line horizontal like this. And I will call it as a construction line. Let me check the distance. If it is properly on the plane, then only it is 0. Okay. So this line will be the construction line. Now we are going to trim these edges. This is don't want, this is also not, this is also not required, this is also not required. Now next is the we have to do the circular pattern. So create circular pattern. So select the entity this. So how many times we have to note? We want 6 times, so we'll select 6 times this also 6 times, this is also 6 times, enter. Okay, now this is completed. Now what is remaining? We have to draw the circle. Okay, and its distance is 60 mm and it's 30-degree incline. So if you draw the line from this is like this. Now let's take the angle. So dimension this to this. So this angle is 30 degree. It's okay. Now next is I will draw find out the center. So I will draw one line like this, and I will say this line is perpendicular. This edge is perpendicular to this, and its distance from center is say 60, and okay. Now next is convert this as a construction line for this also. This is construction, and this is also construction. Then circle at the center. Before going to start converting construction, we are going to draw a center so that we can get the circle. There are two circles. Inside there is one circle of 20 mm, and outside circle is of 18 mm radius. So this circle is of 20 mm, and this circle is of 18 mm radius, so 36 mm diameter. Now next is the line. Okay, this edge is offset to this side. Okay, what is distance? 18, because I want to draw here and provide a fillet. Now next is here is the circle. Okay, so how that circle is? So I will draw the line from this. I will extend this line like this, and I will draw another vertical line from this point. You can see that circle is at the intersection of this axis. Okay, so a circle and its diameter is of 70 mm radius. Now remove the unwanted edges, trim. So this is not required, this is not required, again this is not required, so this is not required, this is also not required, this is not required. Now we have to provide the fillet, so here we require the corner. Okay, so this is also not required. Now okay, so this is so now we are going to provide the fillet. You can see here there is fillet of 14 mm radius, and after that we are going to do the mirror this image. delete this, enter. So it is asking 14 mm radius. Now this is completed. Now what we are going to do, we are going to again we are going to trim this. This is not required. Okay, so we are going to trim this, and after that we are going to provide the radius also. You can see the radius. So here you are going to center point arc radius. So we are going to do the mirror. First you will do mirror. This is mirror line. Select the entities, this entity, this entity, this entity, this entity, this entity. Again we are going to mirror at the bottom side. So mirror, select the edges, this, so this entity, this, this is also we are going to select. What is remaining? Mirror about this line. So mirror about this line, this entity, this entity. Now it is completed. Now we will trim this so that we can provide the arc here properly. Select the center point arc. Select the first point. Select the end point of the arc. Okay. Now this is this figure is completed. Just we are going to convert this into axis. Make it as a construction line. This is also construction line. This is also this, all these are the, select this, all these convert into the construction line. Now you can see here. So this diagram is completed. Just remove the unwanted edges, points, etc. Now you can see this diagram is completed. Thank you. We are going to provide this side. This is to this side, and this radius is, you are going to see this R is there, this side, and this angle we are going to give to this side, and this center radius is this side.